Hi kids! Today we will learn phonic sounds of A to Z. Let's do it! A for apple. A gives sound of A. B for bat. B gives sound of ba. C for cat. C gives sound of ka. D for dog. D gives sound of da. E for elephant. E gives sound of a. F for fish. F gives sound of fa. G for grapes. G gives sound of ga. H for hat. H gives sound of ha. I for ice cream. I give sound of E. J for jug. J gives sound of ja. K for king. K gives sound of ka. L for lion. L gives sound of la. M for monkey. M gives sound of ma. N for nest. N gives sound of na. O for orange. O gives sound of o. P for parrot. P gives sound of pa. Q for queen. Q gives sound of qua. R for rabbit. R gives sound of ra. S for sun. S gives sound of sa. T for tub. T gives sound of ta. U for umbrella. U gives sound of a. V for van. V gives sound of va. W for watch. W gives sound of wa. X for xylophone. S gives sound of s. Y for yak. Y gives sound of ya. Z for zebra. Z gives sound of za. A for apple. A gives sound of a. B for bat. B gives sound of ba. C for cat. C gives sound of ka. D for dog. D gives sound of da. E for elephant. E gives sound of a. F for fish. F gives sound of fa. G for grapes. G gives sound of ga. H for hat. H gives sound of ha. I for ice cream. I gives sound of e. J for jug. J gives sound of ja. K for king. K gives sound of ka. L for lion. L gives sound of la. M for monkey. M gives sound of ma. N for nest. N gives sound of na. O for orange. O gives sound of o. P for parrot. P gives sound of pa. Q for queen. Q gives sound of qua. R for rabbit. R gives sound of ra. S for sun. S gives sound of sa. T for tub. T gives sound of ta. U for umbrella. U gives sound of a. V for van. V gives sound of va. W for watch. W gives sound of wa. X for xylophone. S gives sound of s. Y for yak. Y gives sound of ya. Z for zebra. Z gives sound of za. Thank you kids. Hope you enjoyed the video.